Every action that we take to control the spread of this virus and prevent our medical infrastructure from dealing with too many cases at once is an action that saves lives. Every day that we follow social distancing protocols, we save lives.
Coronavirus has officially spread to Central Illinois, our first confirmed case in Woodford County. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Lauren Melendez. Peoria County Health Department says it is a man in his 70s. He tested positive for the virus last night at a Unity Point clinic. We do have team coverage for you this evening as we follow these developments, and we do begin with Gabby Guerrero in Woodford County with details on how the community is now reacting to this news.
Again, the first case of coronavirus in Central Illinois was confirmed after a Woodford County man tested positive for COVID-19. The elderly man who tested positive was a member at the Willow Hill United Methodist Church just outside Germantown Hills. Pastor Brad Watkins II sent a memo to his entire congregation Saturday, letting them know all services and activities would be suspended until further notice.
I have talked to our leaders, and we are just sharing with all our pastors and all of our members across the Illinois region that we're concerned for them, that we want them to do what they need to do, or in conjunction with local health officials. We're seeking to go above and beyond those by limiting our official activities personally and as a church.
The pastor says the man had minimal contact with others, and while he's not worried that anyone else's health is at risk, the members who have interacted with him have self-quarantined. The church has also hired professional cleaners for the building. Woodford County health officials say they are working closely with Peoria and Tazewell counties along with the Illinois Department of Public Health to notify anybody who may have had contact with the man. I spoke with residents in Woodford County today and asked if they would alter their daily lives with the coronavirus so close to home.
No, not really. I mean, common sense, washing your own hands. I mean, even before this all happened, of course, it's common. I think people have kind of lost their minds a little bit, but it is what it is.
I think it's ridiculous. Now they're closing schools down. So where are these kids going to go? Unless you got a computer and you can be online, you're not going to keep up with your studies. How far is it going to go?
Local officials do urge residents to avoid going out and staying home as much as possible. Back to you.
All right, Gabby, thank you so much. Well, we do continue our team coverage with Caitlin Pearson, who was at a Tri-County press conference in the wake of that first positive COVID-19 case here in Central Illinois. She was there and joins us from the newsroom with what you need to know.
Representatives from the Woodford, Peoria, and Tazewell County Health Departments, along with officials from Unity Point and OSF, say they've been working tirelessly to make sure they're prepared for what will likely be more cases of COVID-19 here at home. The experts say it was not a matter of if, but when a case of COVID-19 would be found in Central Illinois.
This is something that we really did expect. When you look at the global changes, when you look at the national changes, we knew that this day was going to come someday, and so it is today.
They say canceling events like the IHSA boys basketball tournament and St. Patrick's Day parades is the best way to limit the virus's spread. Their plea to the community beyond following good hand washing and social distancing is to contact their doctor if they're showing symptoms.
If you are having a fever, chills, call your provider. Don't rush to the hospital. Don't rush to the emergency department.
Local hospitals are working to protect patients and employees. At Unity Point, this will involve restrictions on visitors.
Not admitting any visitors unless they're determined to be critically essential to the patient's well-being. We know there are needed exceptions for that. Some of those exceptions would be end-of-life care, childbirth.
OSF and its children's hospital are implementing their own set of rules.
So typically it'll be down to one visitor per patient, and they may actually be screened as well, and that might be required before they can enter the facility. And we might enter into an era where we're actually screening our own mission partners or employees before they're allowed to take care of patients.
Representative Ryan Spain said he's working to get relief for those in need and says people can call 211 if they need services or can provide them.
So if you're a local school district that is looking for assistance in delivering meals, or you're a community organization providing services to the elderly, please contact my legislative office.
Now, officials at the press conference did say that tests are available but not unlimited. The tests are being prioritized to patients with more health risks and pre-existing conditions. OSF also launched a chatbot that will listen to your symptoms and follow up with questions. We have information on that on our website, week.com.